Hey guys, so today we're making some oven roasted chicken with achiote. So the first thing we're going to do is start off by making the achiote paste, which is salt, garlic powder, black pepper, cumin, a whole lime, and then 3 garlic cloves. We're going to need some orange juice, some vinegar, and then 3 chipotle chilies, and then an Annotto Bar. This is the box that my achiote came in. I need some salt, and that's the vinegar we used. For the ingredients we're using here and the amounts we're using, it'll be enough to cover 2 whole chickens. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut up your 3 garlic cloves real fine and diced up. Dice them up, tiny little pieces. Then we're going to take our 3 chipotle chilies and just crush them up as much as possible. I chose to use a fork, but you can really use anything as long as you get it crushed up real nice. I'm going to go ahead and add in the black pepper, the garlic powder, the salt, and the cumin. I'm going to go ahead and mix this all up. And then start breaking apart our achiote bar. Once you break it up real nice, you want to go ahead and start mixing it in with all of the other ingredients. We're going to go ahead and take our vinegar, pour it right in, and then we're going to squeeze our lime. Get as much of that lime juice as you can. If you have a squeezer for the lime, I highly recommend that to get the most out of your lime. Squeeze the other half in. Next thing we want to do is add in our orange juice. I actually squeezed my orange juice fresh. I just did a whole orange. It doesn't necessarily have to be freshly squeezed orange juice. You can really use any kind. So we mix the orange juice in real nicely. We're going to go ahead and add in our garlic. And mix that up real nicely. I poured in the rest of that orange juice. You can see there's still some pulp in it. And this is how the paste should turn out. Now that the paste is done, we're going to go ahead and take the 2 chickens. And really the rest of this is just covering the chicken as much as this achiote paste as you like. Just completely try to cover the chicken. The more the better, so try to get all of it completely covered in this paste. Now something that you can do once you get the 2 chickens completely covered in this paste, you can let it sit out and marinate for about 2 hours. That way the chicken just soaks up all of the paste. But if not, that's perfectly fine. You can throw them right into the oven. Whichever way you prefer to do it, it works out perfect either way. So there you have it. Once both of the chickens are completely covered, we're going to put them into a different pan. I use this glass pan. That way it holds the juices, because they will release tons of juices. So this will make for minimal mess. We're going to go ahead and cover it up with our foil. We're going to put it in the oven at 325. Make sure you preheat the oven as well. So we're going to have it at 325, and then we're going to go ahead and put it into the oven and let it bake for 3 hours. And once the 3 hours are up, take it out the oven, check up on the chicken. This is about what it should look like. Now you can see all the juices that it released. So that's why that glass pan was perfect, because it's deep enough. So yeah, there's tons of different ways to serve it. I have a clip here of one way that I chose to do it with a salad. Then I have a picture of another way I chose to do it with the juices that were remaining in that glass pan. But however you choose to do it, it tastes amazing either way. So yeah, there you have it with some oven baked chicken with achiote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.